So, Nano Banana Pro has officially arrived, and if you read the update notes, the claims are pretty bold. They're promising clearer text rendering, the ability to combine multiple images at once, seamless style transfer, and overall professional quality visuals. Basically, the pitch is that when you select the thinking model, the AI will actually reason through your request before creating the image. But marketing claims are one thing, and official examples are usually cherry-picked. So let's actually test this Nano Banana Pro model and see how it performs in real situations. You can try this right now through the Google Gemini app or through Google AI Studio. First, let's test that clearer text claim. As we all know, AI image models usually struggle with matching exact text. So here's the first prompt. A close-up product shot of a round smartwatch face. The screen displays a fitness activity ring that is exactly 75% closed in green. In the center, white text reads 8,432 steps. At the bottom, a small heart icon sits next to red text reading 110 BPM. We've got some numbers and specific placement here. Let's see what it gives us. Okay, this is actually impressive. The text is crisp, and the green ring really does look about 3/4 complete. Most AI models just draw a random circle, so this suggests it understood what 75% means visually. That's a huge win for UI designers. Next, let's check its spatial reasoning. I'm uploading a basic black and white floor plan of a coffee shop. Here's the prompt. Turn this floor plan into a realistic wide-angle photo of the coffee shop interior. It should feature exposed brick walls, hanging warm Edison bulbs, and wooden tables. Match the furniture placement exactly to the blueprint. Let's take a look. And wow, the table placement is accurate. It put the wooden tables exactly where the squares were in the blueprint, and it recognized the perimeter lines as brick walls. The washroom's wall might be agonizingly short, and the lights are not exactly consistent, but look at the understanding of the context. It has understood these little squares as the stools and rendered them accurately with a wall embed table for them. That's a massive step forward for architects and interior designers. Now, we already know the AI models can handle lighting, but can it handle mirrors correctly now? Most AI models mess this up and show the text in the mirror the wrong way. Let's try this prompt. A photorealistic shot of a man standing in front of a bathroom mirror. He's wearing a white t-shirt with the word Echo written on it. Oh, that is actually crazy. It has got the text accurately reversed, just like real-world physics. Look at the toothbrush in its front and back in the mirror. The details are very consistent. Let's try another physics test. Water refraction. This is something AI traditionally struggles with. Here's the prompt. A clear glass of water on a sunny windowsill. A yellow pencil is placed inside the glass. Oh my God, look at that. We did not specify anything about a refraction effect, but the AI model has read the request, analyzed the real-world scenario, and applied the actual physics accurately. I would say it's a little bit over the top, the deflections are a little bit higher, but the fact that Nano Banana Pro has this much level of context understanding is truly impressive. Next, we will see about interior design by analyzing a photo. I'm uploading a photo of a completely empty room, pink shaded walls, a door on the left. I will type, redecorate this empty room, turn it into a cozy mid-century modern living room, add a teal velvet sofa, a wooden coffee table, and a large rug. Let's see how it handles that. We have our velvet sofa, the table is made of wood on a large rug, the walls and the door stay exactly the same, and finally, let's see about the claim, seamless style transfer. Can it change the vibe of an image without changing the buildings or the perspective? I'm uploading a normal sunny daytime street photo, and here's the prompt. Apply a Cyberpunk 2077 style. Change it to nighttime, add neon blue and pink rain puddles, and glowing holographic signs. Let's check the result. That is so cool. It has given a couple new additions to the image, signboards, holograph, hanging wires, and even a few more people. But the requested vibe is perfectly delivered. So, the verdict? The new addition of the thinking capability has just made Nano Banana crazy smart. This is the first time I've seen an image model handle text, layout, physics, and style so consistently in one run. Go ahead and try it yourself and see if you can push it further than I did. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.